hello from Spicers in North Shields. It's the old Twinings factory. They do tea here, all sorts of tea. Fruity tea, flavoured tea. And they let me use the lavatory. I was a 6:30 start this morning to get over here. I've got a 40-foot container on the back. The trailer that I hooked onto was set for 20 foot, so I had to readjust it and everything, which is always interesting when you've never done it before. But yeah, it was quite an interesting cargo bay. I've like reversed into almost like a garage basically. It's very, 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 very tight. Either side, you're almost touching the wall either side. But it's fine, you've got plenty of room there. And I did it in a wanna, which was lovely, because he went, oh, some of the lads take half an hour to get in here. Went, yeah, well, should have seen me reversing yesterday, mate. I'd have been one of them. So once I'm out of here, I will give the office a ring, and they'll probably send me back through the time tunnel, back into the yard, take this empty off, and give me another job. And then God knows where. Right, they sent us to the wrong bay. I had this pages for bay 1 when I need to be on bay 6. Which I kind of knew, you know, but you have to go. The page's the wrong number. Alright. So I'm going to have to just try and give myself a bit of room to screw it. I should be alright here, buddy. Just maybe watch your back, my back end on yours. Lost sight of you. I should get a swing on that. I'll just watch your van.
Don't leave what he said before.
Not today, mate.
No.
Right, gonna get tucked underneath this crane. Guy's gonna lift it off. I don't need to move, he'll move back with it, and then he'll just start unloading it with the forklift. It's 1 o'clock, so they had their 30-minute dinner. I tell you, got a canny walk to the canteen, the poor lads are near, like, that's for sure. By the time you get there and get the bait down the neck, they're back to work. Always stop just in case. You never know who's watching, even though you know there's no coming. Whew, it's a warm day, it's lovely. Put my little kink in, because that's how I like it. Sure it's not coming down. Let's move this trailer a little bit easier for us. Hey mate. It's another finished crane. Or digger. I think you're waiting for that, like, you've been framed £250 moments. Straight on it, that.